Essay on Electronic Media vs. Print Media. The rapid advancements in technology have transformed the media landscape, giving rise to electronic media as a formidable competitor to traditional print media. While both forms serve the purpose of disseminating information, they differ significantly in several aspects. Electronic media encompasses various platforms like television, radio, and the internet. It provides instant access to news, entertainment, and other content, reaching a vast audience globally. Electronic media offers multimedia elements such as videos, audio clips, and interactive features that engage users. It also allows for real-time updates, making it a powerful tool for breaking news and live coverage. Print media, on the other hand, refers to newspapers, magazines, and other printed publications. It offers a tangible reading experience, allowing readers to flip through pages and peruse articles at their own pace. Print media often delves deeper into stories, providing in-depth analysis and thought-provoking features. It offers a sense of credibility and permanence, with physical copies that can be collected and preserved. While electronic media provides convenience, interactivity, and instant access, print media holds its own unique advantages. It offers a tangible and portable format, free from reliance on technology or internet connectivity. Print media also allows for focused reading, with less distraction compared to the digital realm. In conclusion, electronic media and print media both contribute to the dissemination of information. Electronic media excels in immediacy and interactivity, while print media offers a tangible and immersive reading experience. As technology continues to evolve, a balance between the two forms is crucial to cater to different preferences and ensure a diverse media landscape.